In this video, I will show you how to copy Discord server ID so you can use it for bots, settings and advanced features. To get started, what you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. Now in this example, I'm going to use the Valorant Discord server, but you can do this for any server. To get started, what you want to do is first enable developer mode. So to do that, come down and click on your gear icon to go into your user settings. From here, you want to come to the menu on the left hand side and scroll all the way down to the bottom where you're going to find the developer option. Give that a click, and this way you can come and turn on developer mode by simply clicking the switch to enable developer mode. Once that's enabled, what you can do is close out of your settings, come to your server list on the left hand side and find the server that you want to get the server ID for. As mentioned in this example, we're going to use the Valorant server, but you can do this for any server. The steps are the same. All you need to do is right click onto the server icon, which is going to bring up a menu like this, and from here you can come and see at the bottom the option to copy server ID. Give that a click, and what you can then do is paste this wherever you need to, and that is how to copy Discord server ID. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.